My name is Jessie. I'm from Sofia, Bulgaria, and it's so great to be here. Kinda knew what I wanted to do as soon as I was around 4 years old. I heard a few girls playing their violins, and I immediately fell in love. I couldn't shut up about it, and eventually my mom was forced into signing me to piano lessons. All of this was so new and interesting to me, and I could finally record the piano, then the guitar, then add some strings, then vocals, and harmonizing vocals, and make all of it sound good together. And I had found the thing I wanted to do the most. It's such a terrible idea. No one of us deserves this. And I was lucky enough that this pitch was, to begin with, in tune with my song. Let me show you. These are just the Polaroid samples. You get it. There is one only thing I would like to advise musicians and people that are getting into music, and that's just don't be scared into experimenting, trying new things, and sharing what you've done with the world. Nothing is going to go terribly wrong if you do it. Just go for it.